the seat just came. This is the unboxing of the seat for the JOYOR F7S, and it came a week later. So let's see what this is. So just so y'all know, I did get a chance to ride the bike. I will let y'all see me riding it, and that thing is nice and fast. So this is turning out to be pretty good. I'll give you my full review after the seat goes on. So this is the unboxing of the seat. I guess this is the pole. Pause. All right. This is the seat, nicely wrapped. Another part. And of course the base of it is right here. So nothing else in the box. Want to unwrap the seat first. And when you cut it, just make sure that you're not cutting the leather part. So I'm cutting basically on the edges so I don't mess up the seat. The seat looks pretty good actually. Comes with a little tool inside. And here is the screws, comes really wrapped up. I'm going to leave the seat here. I'm going to unbox this, unpack whatever piece this is. And as mentioned, the last piece, which is the base. And this is the back of the base. So these holes right here actually have little pieces that pop right out. And what you do is you line up the holes and then you nail it in. Just like that. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned because in the next video I'm going to show you the finished product, how to fold down the seat, and me actually riding it so you can get a good idea before you purchase. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.